Hi.
What is this, Harry?
Studies ng spread na feature ko magazine for Darling. Why?
I know. But why? Car magazine tayo. Ang kailangan natin sexy models, hindi singers.
She's all over the news. And besides, pasay na ngayon ang mga sexy treatments sa magazine. I wanna try something new to target a new market.
Yung ba talaga ang gusto mong i-target? O si Celine na naman?
Wait a minute. Ano na naman tong narinig ko, Harry? Why am I hearing Celine's name again? Isn't she out of the picture? I thought you two were back together again.
Opo, tita. Pero itong si Harry mukhang gumagawa ng way para masira kami. Kapatid po nung darling na yun si Celine. Isa siyang buena. And for all I know, ginagawa mo lang to para makabawi kay Celine.
Wait, that darling is a buena? Why are we featuring her? We should be destroying her.
Ma, it's the right business decision. Hindi to personal, kaya please, huwag mong personalin.
When it comes to a buena, it's always personal.
Oh, ma, may heart ailment ka. Bawal ka magalit. At mas lalong masama ang paghihigante. Just keep out of this. Let me do my job, okay?
Harry! Well, may tungkulin din naman ako sa asawa kong nagpakamatay dahil sa mga buwenang yan. Sa mamahagilap yung darling buwena na yan, I also have a job to do.